Botswana has transformed to become one of the most affluent economies relative to most in the region. The country has over the years shown steady business growth, and its relatively steady economy presents a sizable market for financial services such as banking, insurance, investment management, pension funds, stock exchanges, and development finance institutions. Over the past decade, the financial sector has experienced significant growth and now accounts for almost 50% of the country's GDP. Though Botswana's banking sector remains relatively small, it is more developed and has a higher degree of penetration than most other African countries. The government of Botswana has highly prioritized this sector as a future anchor of the economy, and as a result, the sector now offers robust incentives that encourage foreign direct investment and domestic investment. Botswana's International Financial Services Centre, or IFSC, provides regional and international banks, international business firms, insurance companies, and investment funds an advantageous platform to penetrate new markets or to consolidate their position in sub-Saharan Africa's fast-growing markets. Certified International Financial Services Centre (IFSC) companies enjoy competitive incentives including a competitive corporate tax incentive framework, exemption from capital gains tax and withholding tax, access to an expanding double taxation avoidance treaty network across the continent, denomination of share capital in any major convertible currency, as well as no foreign exchange controls. Coupled with Botswana's highly educated and trainable workforce, Botswana has proven to be an attractive location for business and financial services, especially those geared towards European, African, and Middle Eastern markets. Further your investment with us. Come invest in Botswana. Botswana, our pride, your destination.